Hi, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing our planks in a home or business. This method applies to both our 2mm and 2.5mm planks. In preparation for this project, you'll need to gather the tools necessary for this type of installation. Please pause here to review the tools needed for the job. To begin, properly prepare the installation area following the provided instructions. After all, the installation can only be as good as the substrate. The substrates must be dry, smooth, flat, structurally sound and clean, without contaminants, dust, or debris. Before the installation, acclimate the floor and adhesive within the area that is between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 8 hours. Next, plan your layout. Measure the width of the area and calculate. Mark your starting line near the center of the room. If the last row is less than half the width of a plank, move your starting line over by half the width of a plank. All plank installations are recommended to be installed randomly, with end joints kept over 8 inches apart. Following your starting line, apply the Novalis adhesive evenly to one side only using a 1/16 by 1/32 by 1/32 U-notch trowel at a 45-degree angle. Allow the appropriate open time for the adhesive and substrate, typically 10 to 30 minutes, depending on substrate porosity. Install the floor following your starting line. Mix and choose planks from several boxes for a random appearance. Keep all joints snug without compressing. For the end piece, mark, score, and snap to fit. It helps to gently warm the back of the plank with a heat gun when making complicated cuts, like around doorways. After each section, slowly roll it using a 100-pound 3-section roller in both directions. Simply repeat this process for the remaining areas. And there you have it. You have successfully installed a floor.